Welcome back to OCM Good Design. Today we show you best rock garden ideas for your beautiful backyard. Choosing a rock garden style. Pick a style that matches your taste. Alpine gardens mimic mountain scenes with low plants tucked in crevices. They bring wild, rugged appeal to flat yards. Zen designs use smooth stones and raked gravel for calm. Japanese rock gardens focus on balance and empty space. Add a few bonsai trees for that authentic touch. Go for mixed hardscape if you want color bursts. Blend stones with tough plants that sip water. Or build a sloped waterfall feature for drama. Look at places like Butchart Gardens in Canada. They rock setups show how styles pop in real life. Match it to your home's look for harmony. Selecting the right rocks, size, type, and sourcing. Hunt for rocks that feel right. Local stone blends in best and costs less to haul. Granite offers grey tones with sparkle. Slate gives flat, edgy layers. Limestone adds soft, warm hues. Mix sizes for depth. Big boulders as anchors. Medium ones for middles. Small pebbles to fill gaps. This creates a natural flow, like a riverbed frozen in time. Source wisely. Check quarries or landscape suppliers nearby. Ask about eco-friendly options to cut transport miles. Avoid dyed fakes. Real stone ages well. Budget tip. Start small and add over time. Top-tier rock garden design concepts. Now dive into layouts. These ideas spark creativity. Adapt them to your yard's shape and size, creating dynamic elevation with slopes and terraces. Build height to draw eyes. Use yard slopes or make terraces with staked stones. This adds layers that make small spaces feel grand. Start with large rocks at the base. Stack smaller ones up, leaving spots for plants. Retaining walls from natural stone hold soil back. They prevent erosion too. Layer plants from back to front. Tall ones up high, short in front. It's like a stage show. Your rock garden gains depth and interest. Walk around at different times. Tweak until it flows just right. Conclusion: cultivating your durable, beautiful rock garden. Rock gardens blend stone and green for lasting joy. They save water, need little care, and boost yard value. You gain a space that's tough on weather but soft on ice. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find these rock garden ideas helpful. Subscribe and stay tuned for new videos. You've been watching Sam Good Design, a channel about landscape design and gardening.